Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Solomon. In today's video, we are having an exciting unboxing and setup video for you. We will be taking a look at Epson L805 wireless ink tank photo printer. If you are into photography, crafting, or just need a high quality printer for your project, this project might be for you. Let's dive into it. The Epson L805 is a wireless ink tank photo printer that promises high quality photo printing at an affordable prices. I think you can get this one at $500. Yeah. With its 6-ink color tank system, you can expect a vibrant and detailed print right at your fingertips. Let's get started with the unboxing. The packaging is neat and steady, and upon opening the box, you are greeted with the Epson L805 printer, ink bottles that are cyan, magenta, yellow, black, light cyan, light magenta, power cable, installation CD, USB cable. I didn't find my own. I think it was lost on the way. Warranty information. Before we dive into the setup, let's take a quick look at some of the key features of the Epson L805. 6-color ink system for vibrant and detailed print. Borderless photo printing up to A4 size. Wi-Fi connectivity for wireless printing. CD/DVD printing capability. It can also print on business card. Print speed of up to 1.5 image per minute for color and 9.1 image per minute for black and white printout. Now let's set up the Epson L805. A straightforward process. Remove all the packaging tapes and protective materials. Lift up the top cover to reveal the ink tank system. Install the ink bottles into the respective tanks. Make sure to mark the colors correctly, which I have already done so. Close the ink tank less securely. Connect the power cable and power the printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to change the ink system. Next, let's connect the Epson L805 to our Wi-Fi. In this case, I'll be using the USB cable, which you just have to insert it at the back and also on your computer. In this case, I'll be using a laptop for this test printout. Let us do a test printing and see the final result. With everything set up, it is time to put the Epson L805 to text. We will print a test page to ensure everything is working smoothly. Now let's print some sample photos to see the printer in action. The 6-color ink system delivers stunning colors, sharp details, perfect for your photography project. Overall, the Epson L805 is versatile and affordable photo printer that delivers impressive results, which you can get it under $500 in Ghana cedis, 6,000 Ghana cedis. Whether you are a photographer, enthusiast, a crafter, or simply need a reliable printer for your home office project, it is definitely worth considering. That wraps up with our unboxing and setup of the Epson L805 photo printer. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this in the future. Thanks for watching and happy printing with your new Epson printer.